it definitely killed my dandelions. I'm super happy with this stuff. All right, just got this Natria, and I got this for my dandelions, so I'm gonna mix 2 gallons of this stuff up and we're gonna see how it works. It's the first time I've ever used it. I broke my measuring cup though. So it does come with a measuring cup, but I broke it. So I have another one. And it says to measure 5 ounces to 1 gallon, I think. I'm gonna put a little more than 10 ounces in here and then put 2 gallons in here because this is a 2-gallon sprayer, I think. Yeah, this is 2 gallons. So I'm just gonna go a little strong. I don't know if you have to shake this stuff up. Shake it a little. But I wanted something that's supposed to be safe for my pets and my kids, so, and this is supposed to be safe. See, I'm gonna put 10 ounces and I'll just put a little less water in there. I'm gonna spray my dandelions and then I'll come back in a few hours and show you what they look like. Let's put a little water in here before I dump that in. I think you just got to be careful spraying this on like concrete because it could stain your concrete. At least that's what I read. All right, I got just a little less than 2 gallons because like I said, I want to make it just a little strong. All right, right over here is a lot of dandelions. All right, I'll show you those dandelions right there in a couple hours. This is what they look like right now. But I cut them off a little yesterday when I mowed my grass, so I'm kind of hoping that the stems that are open at the end will maybe help kill them. So I'll get back with you here in like 2 or 3 hours. All right, I was gonna record this like a few hours after I put this down, but then the luck I have it, it rained. But this is like 2 days later, and the rain, even though I think it rained about 2 hours after I put this on it, it definitely killed my dandelions. I'm super happy with this stuff. These ones here all look pretty dang dead. And let me show you some of these other ones. Like I didn't hit all of them, but right there's one. That one looks pretty dead. These ones here look pretty dead. Those ones look good and dead. That one looks good and dead. This one looks good and dead. So I'd have to say it definitely works.